Hey there guys, welcome back to another video here at Top Tier Garage. Today we're going to be going over why you may want to second guess yourself on picking up the 130-piece Pittsburgh toolkit from Harbor Freight. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so now that we have a close-up look at these kits, I'll provide a little bit of insight on them. I picked up these kits about 2 years ago on Black Friday. I picked up 3 of them to keep in the back of my vehicles. Sight unseen, I didn't know exactly what I was getting with these kits, or the quality of the tools, so I figured I'd put out a video to show you guys what you can expect and what quality of tools you can expect from these guys. So it is under the Pittsburgh brand, but even the ratchets and stuff like that, nothing in here says Pittsburgh, I believe. Not even the screwdrivers, they just have, nothing in here says Pittsburgh. Maybe. Drop forged steel. So this is just a generic kit that Pittsburgh slapped their name on. One of my biggest pet peeves is the sockets. So the entire first row here is all 1/4 inch. But the thing is, this kit only comes with 1 3/8 inch ratchet. So that means that you have to rely on this little 3/8 to a 1/4 inch adapter, which is never a good idea. Because a lot of times this is super weak and it'll just shear off because you tend to over torque the small tiny sockets. And when we take a look at these sockets, the legendary 10 mil. Absolutely no, just 10 mil on it. The sockets themselves aren't bad. They do have a few like quality control issues, but they all seem to work just fine. I mean, like this guy, look how thick the sidewalls are on that. It's insane. So if you can compare that to, I mean, look at that. It's insane. This one's extremely thin and this one is a thick boy. And then the ratchet is your typical old school. Just, it'll work in a pinch, but I would not trust to rebuild an entire car with it. Let's put it that way. Got your standard claw hammer. You have a nice magnetic bit screwdriver that goes along with all of these bits over here. A no-name vice grips. Typically with these, they'll work a few times until you over torque it once and then all these teeth will round over due to the fact that it's made of such soft metal. When I first picked up this kit, I thought it was going to be like Pittsburgh Pro quality where the sockets are all uniform. They got Pittsburgh Pro stamped on them. Everything's all uniform. The sockets look professionally made, not just randomly thrown together ones. Some have super thick sidewalls and stuff like that, but it'll work. Another thing that really shook me is this. They give you like a picture hanging kit in this tool set. So I mean, I get it, it's for homeowners use and stuff like that, but never truly understood that. I just kept it in there. I always was thinking of something else I could possibly put in there. I'm not exactly sure. The tape measure has gone MIA in the last 2 years. I'm sure I can find it somewhere, but.
So I do understand that you can kind of expect this quality for $30. I'm not completely knocking it. I'm saying that the tools could be a little bit better in quality for 30 bucks, but this toolkit has its place because when you're stranded on the side of the road, any tool is better than no tool. So this will work in a pinch. I would not suggest it for just like your everyday shop use. That I would go with a Pittsburgh Pro, possibly the $200 kit that comes with Pittsburgh Pro tools and all that good stuff. This is just something that a typical homeowner could use, for example, hanging pictures, stuff like that. Very minor use where you may only use this ratchet 4 times a year. It doesn't pay to go spend a few $100s on tools that you're going to be using possibly 1 or 2 times a year. Who knows? So you have to know its limitations. You can't expect to walk into a car dealership with just carrying this, say, all right, I'm ready for my first day of work. Not possible. Well, might get you by changing some oil. But for 30 bucks, my motto is some tools, no matter what kind of quality, are better than no tools. Even if in your car you would carry just an adjustable and some mechanical knowledge, it can take you a long way in fixing vehicles. So that's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to give a general overview of what to expect out of this 130-piece toolkit from Harbor Freight. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for next time.